The INOPOOL 100 cordless pool vacuum is a game changer. Its modern design allows you to move freely about without the restriction of a power cord, ensuring a convenient and efficient pool cleaning experience. Versatility is a standout feature of the INOPOOL 100. It can connect to a regular telescopic pool pole or work on its own in water depths ranging from 5 inches to 10 feet deep, making it perfect for cleaning pools of all types and sizes. The lightweight cleaner packs a powerful punch with a handy on-off switch and a 30-minute runtime on a single battery charge. Its dual filtration system captures even the smallest of contaminants all the way down to 10 microns. Say goodbye to leaves, pollen, sand, dead algae, and any other pesky debris that may be present in your pool. After removing the vacuum from the pool, easily drain away the excess water and it returns to its lightweight and easy to maneuver design. Looking to spot clean shallow sun shells or stairs? The vacuum can easily disconnect from the telescopic pool pole and reconnect the easy grip handle, allowing you to operate the vacuum as a handheld device. When you are finished, turn the vacuum off and it's easily cleaned by unscrewing the transparent debris canister from the motor housing, discarding the debris, removing the filter, cleaning it, and securing the filter back into the vacuum, ready to use again when needed. Don't compromise on pool cleanliness. Invest in efficiency with the INOPOOL 100 Cordless Handheld Pool Cleaner. If you would like to learn more about the INOPOOL 100 or to purchase, click on the link below. Thank you for watching.